Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you what's inside this Proto 2000 8,000 gallon Type 21 riveted tank car kit. Now I bought this at the train show. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that. I bought it for $5, not $8. So I think the instructions are right here. I feel like these instructions are pretty thick. So yeah, they're huge. Okay. So I'm not going to be able to show you all on camera, but I'm going to just say that they're huge, and here's a little glimpse of them. A little bit quick, but... So, here we have the first things, which are the wheels, axles, and couplers, which are good. Here's the dome, I think. Yeah, dome and placards. Here we've got the couplers, which are knuckle couplers. They're the plastic kind, so not the best, but, you know, that's whatever. Here is the actual tank itself. Really nice printing. Oh, I need to focus the camera. Really nice. I can even read that. Here's the end. Let's focus this camera. There we go. And here's the other side. So, and then we have, more parts. Okay, so we got brake detail. We've got the bottom of the tank. The handrails that go around the tank. And the frame, if you would say. Yeah, I think it's the frame. Next we have some bubble wrap. Then we have more parts. Oh boy. So, we have what looks to be, I don't know exactly what these are. I think these are the pieces that hold on the tank to the car. And now we have grab irons and assorted ladders and stuff. Next we have this really big screw. And it's 2 of them. So here is more underbody detail. And here is more grab irons. So, and then you got the weights at the bottom of the box. So, that is it. Bye, guys.